Amazing is chatting with a boy.
Give me my phone. Give my phone. Show you. Mommy, are you seeing her phone now? Dad, to give my phone. Now, what's this one?
So you're chatting with a boy? Amazing, you're chatting with a boy. Hope you haven't forgotten who your father is. If you like, get pregnant. Oh? Get pregnant. You're chatting with a boy.
I'm not chatting with a boy.
You're chatting with a boy.
Give my phone. What's this one? Mommy, tell her to give my phone. Now, what's this?
Leave me, Biko. Leave me alone. Look. Hey, Madam. See the plates. See how dirty the whole house is. Look at the banana peels. I bought these bananas, I think, 2 days ago. And this fried rice, we had it for lunch, right? Isn't it? Then you guys finished eating and dropped the whole plate everywhere for me to come and pack for you, right? As your house help.
It's not my fault. I cleaned last week, so it's her cleaning week.
Am I not the firstborn? So you sit down there and I'll be clearing plates for you.
Yes, because I worked for you last week.
No problem. Let's all sit inside the dirt now. And then if you switch on that television, Afonwa, if you switch on that television, I will break your head. I'm still talking about how dirty the whole place is. You want to start switching on television, eh? Come on, give me that remote also, so. And get up, oh, get up. Go and clean the whole place.
Mom, it's not my cleaning week.
I said go and join her and clean the place.
Mom, last week when I was cleaning, she did not join me, so I'm not going to clean with her.
Hello, good morning. Yes, please. Mrs. Johnson speaking. Yes? What happened? What? Oh my God!
What happened? I don't know. Who's the and then what happened?
What is it now?
Mom, you're not saying anything.
Mom, talk to us now. Why are you crying?
Mom, what happened? What happened? What happened?
Let me talk now.
What happened?
Please talk to us, please.
There was an accident at the battlefield.
Jesus Christ. Is Dad dead?
No,
Then what happened?
there was bomb explosion that affected his sight.
Jesus Christ.
And they said he might not be able to see again.
That he cannot. Hey,
Oh my
God. God.
Are you trying to say that he's blind now?
Your daddy is blind.
Oh my goodness.
Where are they? Someone? Where? They're here, sir. Okay. Abundance. Wow. girls crying? What did I teach you? I didn't hear that. So what do we do instead? I didn't hear you.
We move on.
That's exactly what we do. We move on. Good. So does anybody want to see what I brought for them? Come on, girls. Come. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Everything will be fine. Now, Solomon. Son! Help them with the bags, yeah? Let them get it out so we will talk. Okay, so somebody help them to the house. Honey, can you please help me get a glass of water? Honey, are you there? Honey, are you there, honey?
What?
Is something wrong?
Is something wrong? Really? Is something wrong? Everything is wrong. Justin, how could you do this to me?
Look, I know this is a lot to handle.
You do? You seem to be handling everything just fine.
You think this did not break me too? For 72 hours, all I could think about was how to take my life. I was a high-ranking officer, for God's sakes. My word and my person commanded respect. And nothing but a blind man forced into retirement because of a condition that I do not deserve. I do not expect you or the girls to adjust to this automatically. Okay, I know it would take some getting used to. It will take time, I know. But so just take your time. Give it time. Don't overthink it. Okay? Honey? Honey?
Okay.
Come here. Come on. Please. It's okay. It's going to be fine.
He thinks I'm broken because of his stupid condition. He doesn't know I'm devastated because he's going to be around like 24/7. I mean, who has time for all of that nonsense?
So, what are you going to do now?
I'm leaving him, of course.
What?
You think it's a bad idea?
I mean, what will people say leaving him now that he needs you the most?
I mean, I don't care. They can say whatever they like. This is my life. I mean, I can't get stuck babysitting a blind man. Even Johnson knows that I'm not cut out for all of that.
I mean, your daughters, they'll be disappointed in you.
Jim, are you tired of me already?
What? What are you talking about?
Yeah, but you sound like you'd rather have me with my husband than with you.
Come on, babe. You know I'd rather be with you. Have you all to myself if I had my way. But your husband is a colonel. What will he do to an ordinary guy like me? A bloody civilian.
Baby, this man is blind. I mean, he can't do anything. Can't even see. He can't do anything. Baby, come on, baby boo. Smile for me. Come here. You have my lipstick on your lips.
Who's there? Daddy, the nurse is here.
Good evening, Miss Roy. I could not let already smell your rose musk fragrance as you came in.
Oh, thank you. You have the best olfactory nose I know.
I thank you.
So are you ready for me?
It's not like I have a choice now, is
No,
it?
you don't. Okay.
Silly girl. Did you see your mommy? Can't you greet?
Honey, is that you?
That's me. Johnson. I have a question for you. Now that you're no longer working, how do we survive?
Of course, I'll still be receiving my salary. I mean, it might just not be up to the former amount.
I hope it doesn't affect my monthly allowance, because you were the one who insisted that I be a stay-at-home mom.
Oh, come on. Come on, Elizabeth. You know the reason I said that? It was for the sake of the kids. I just felt at least one of their parents ought to be with them all the time.
We're still saying the same thing. Hope I'll still get paid.
Yes, you will, but there will still have to be some adjustments, okay?
Colonel, I'm so sorry to cut in, but I think it's best if I just go. I'll come back some other time.
I'm so sorry, Miss Roy. Are you sure?
Yes, it's okay. It's fine. All right, do take care of yourself.
I'm sorry about this.
It's okay. It's okay.
Now you listen to me, Elizabeth. Okay? You listen to me. You will still be getting your allowance, but it's going to be a third of what it used to be. Okay?
1/3. That's like 50,000 naira. What do you expect me to do with 50,000 naira? He can't even buy my cream.
Look, everybody has to make sacrifices. Even the kids are making sacrifices. Amazing, for instance, has to leave her private university and change to a public university.
What? Daddy, do you know what psychological and emotional damage that will do to a child like me?
Look, we all need to make sacrifices if we are not to lose our home. I mean, come on. Your sisters alone go up almost 10 million naira every year on school fees.
Then they should go to a public school too.
I can't do that to them. You are the eldest, you are more mature, you should understand.
Daddy, I'm not leaving my private school. I'm not leaving. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not leaving my school.
Amazing, come back here. Amazing.
Nothing must happen to my monthly allowance. Nothing. You want me to stay in this house without collecting monthly allowance? You want me to stay with you? I can't even buy hair. I can't buy my cream. I can't go out. I don't even have a party.
Everybody has to make sacrifices!
baby.
Alright, girls. I'll see you guys soon, okay?
Don't leave us.
So you're really serious about leaving?
Well, I'm sorry. I'm no longer interested in this marriage. This is not what I signed up for.
So much for better, for worse.
Excuse you?
Please don't leave us.
Why are you even begging her? Let her go if she wants to go.
Baby, I'll be coming around to see you girls, okay?
If you leave this house, you don't get to come back here again.
Cannot stop me from seeing my children.
Yet you're leaving them?
I'm leaving you and not them. You don't expect me to just sit around and be babysitting you?
Now run along, go upstairs, let me see your father, okay? Where's my bag? I came in with my box. Where is it? I came in with my box. Where is it? Oh, that is it. Take it upstairs. Be careful with it, okay? Be careful. Thank you. Johnson. How are you? I saw Elizabeth going out. What is it?
Well, she said she's done with the marriage.
What? Meaning what? What do you mean she's done with the marriage? Who did she leave her children for? You, the blind man?
They're my children as well, are they not?
This is ridiculous. How can she leave her own children? For who to take care of? I don't get it. I warned you. I warned you about Elizabeth. Didn't I warn you? Are you okay? So what? How are you? Johnson. I warned you. I want you to be careful with that woman, but you wouldn't listen. Now you say it. What? Ludicrous. Anyway, I am not flabbergasted. Oh no, I am not. Over the fence. Whoever is there should get me water to drink. What?
Sir, I'm done with her, sir.
Oh, okay, that's good. Abundance, go get your sister, Amazing, to come take our measurement.
Daddy, I don't understand. Why is she taking our measurements?
Obey the last what? Obey the last what?
Order.
Good. Go get the person.
So here is it, sir.
Thank you very much. And everything is complete?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. And you received the payment?
Yes, sir. I've received it, sir.
Thank you very much. All right.
Thank
Have
you,
a nice
sir.
day.
Yes, sir.
All right. Right. Having noticed that your mother did not inculcate in you the necessary hygienic training necessary for young ladies like yourself, I have decided to take that upon myself. So from now on, you will have what I call a day wear, which is what you will wear when you're at home. Amazing.
Yes, sir.
You will coordinate your sisters to wash all your clothes, iron them and fold them neatly, pack them in bags and send them to my room expressly. Now in that bag over there are uniforms that you will wear when you're at home henceforth. There are 2 sets for each of you with your names already tagged on it. Alright? Now you will wear one today, wash it, wear the other one the next day, and so on and so forth. Is that clear?
Daddy, me, I can't wear that uniform. I mean, what will my friends say when they see me wearing uniform at home? To dent my reputation.
So that you expect me to wear uniform after wearing it in school? No. I won't frustrate my life. Look, Art and Abundance can wear it. It's none of my business, they're children. But me, I'm not going to wear that.
Me, I cannot wear anything. I'm not wearing it. I'm not going to wear anything. Why would I wear anything?
Silence! Now what have I taught you about orders?
Obey the last order.
What?
Obey the last order.
So I expect you to do just that. Pretend! Company fall in formation. Go! Very center. Quick march. Hey! And where? Did you pick the bag?
Yes, sir.
Quick march. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Professor Theodora, here is your water.
Goodness gracious! What is this? Over the fence.
This is your water. This is your water.
Why did you hold the water with the fingers, dirty fingers like that? What is this?
Well, you asked me to bring you.
No, step back. Don't sprinkle water on me. Why did you fill the water to the brim like that? Don't you know water has level where you could measure it? Oh, no. Now drop it. Drop it. Just imagine. Why did you fill the water to the brim? Don't you know you level the water to this measure?
There's no measuring tape. I cannot use, this is the way you can get big water, and this is how we do it in this house.
Now I see that your mother did not teach you etiquette and courtesies. Oh yes. Why did you put it in a saucer? Why did you bring the water like that? Why did you put it in a saucer? Carry it in a saucer and bring to me, not with your dirty fingers.
Sorry, Professor Theodore.
Oh good. Next time you don't bring me water like this. Ash, don't do that. Ash! Don't touch that door. Come, leave that door. Come here. Come over here. Come back here. Where were you going?
I went to get the dog.
Why?
Cause there was someone there.
Who was there?
I don't know.
Oh, goodness gracious. You don't know. And you rush off like cockroach to go and open the door. Who taught you that? Why would you go and open the door? Don't you know an enemy can come in? You can open the door for the enemy to come in and attack every one of us here. Don't you know that? Next time there's a knock at the door, you ask, who is that please? Not rushing to open the door. Now, go back to that door and ask, who is that? What did I say?
Who is that?
Please.
Please.
And say it smartly. Be smart.
Who is that, please?
Good. Now you go. Go and open the door. Go and ask. Hold on. Don't touch the handle. Ask his name.
What is your name, please?
Okay. Miss Rory.
Don't touch the door. Don't touch the handle. Take a deep breath. Good. Now open it. You let your guest in and walk smartly.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm here for the colonel. He's expecting me for his treatment.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Oh, sorry, my bad. I'm Miss Rohi. I'm his nurse.
Okay, I see. Now go upstairs. Tell your daddy that his nurse is here.
Yes, Prof.
Be smart! Okay, just wait there.
Yes, ma'am. Professor Theodore, please can I go inside now? I've served you the water, so.
Why do you want to go inside? Why?
You're standing here now. I'm tired of standing.
Yes, tired of doing what? Getting me a glass of water with your dirty fingers.
Okay, let me get another one. This time
Oh, shush! Stay here. We have a guest here. Let your father come down. You can't leave me alone with the guest.
I hate her so much.
Well, her is your mother.
More reason she shouldn't abandon us.
You're focused on the lesser problem. What are we going to do about that?
What about him?
You know how he can be. Few weeks holidays with him were so exhausting. Not to talk of having to live permanently with him.
Well, he's blind now, so I guess he should be less demanding.
I pray so. Like, I really, really pray so. Because I'll just run away from this house. You know me now. Come on. Let's go have breakfast. I mean, no one died.
And Prof is here with her OCD, etiquettes and all that nonsense.
So, wait a minute. Why is she called Prof?
Because she's a professor in the great University of Benin.
And since she made that professorship, she made us call her Professor Theodora.
Theodora.
So what will we do? We don't have a choice. We just have to call her.
Theodora.
Theodora.
Johnson. Come on, Johnson. You've been abandoned before. Even on the war front. Captured by the enemy. You survived. How many missions you've gone that they thought you would not come back? You survived it. Even rose to a rank nobody thought you could ever get to. You can do this. You can do this. You can raise those girls on your own. You can raise those girls on your own, Johnson. You can raise those girls on your own. Yes, you can.
Taste it. It's not as bad as it looks. Well, it looks bad. But taste it first. Come on.
Jesus.
What's that?
Lord of... This is bad. Jesus Christ. Are you sure you cooked this right or did you just soak it in water? I don't understand.
What if I rush to fast food and get jollof rice? Dad won't notice. He's blind. Yeah.
But I'm not.
Yes.
I am not blind. This is over the fence. Who prepared this? Who prepared this? Oh, shush! Shush! Your mother could not teach you simple culinary skills. She couldn't. That is why you prepared this distasteful rice filled with pebbles in the name of a meal.
Professor Theodora.
Shush! Shush! Pronounce it properly. Theodora.
Theodora.
Good.
Professor Theodora.
Good. Just look at it. That's it. Over the fence. This is ridiculous. Oh yes, it is ridiculous. You're looking at me. You are looking at me.
Professor Theodora.
Shush.
I was not the one that could...
Shush. And I said Shush! Why are you still standing there? Come with me. It's time to learn some culinary skills. Yes, from Professor Theodora. Come with me. Let's learn it.
This is what your cost. Can you excuse?
How is it not pleasure?
It's looking good. It's okay. Okay, so I'll just give you a minute.
Thank you. I'll call you once we're done.
Johnson, you cannot do this alone. No matter what you say, these children need a caregiver.
So what am I then?
You're their father that was always on a peacekeeping mission from one African country to the other. Now you have 4 grown girls to handle.
Sister Dora, please.
There's nothing you're going to tell me. No, there's nothing. I won't accept it. You need someone to help you.
I do not need anyone to help me take care of my children.
Johnson, I am telling you, you need someone to help you take care of these children. There's nothing you're going to tell me. Your eldest child is 19 years and she doesn't know how to cook. Now tell me, how are they going to cope? You need someone to help you. You can't do it alone. There is this professor friend of mine whose daughter just divorced. She is smart and homely. I have known this girl for a long time. I think you should.
Sister, thanks, but no thanks. I'll pass. Hey, sister, now. Mother hen, I'll be fine.
Johnson, please don't fail to call me if you need anything.
I will.
Don't fail to call me, Biko.
You know I will. I don't have any other sibling. I will.
Please take care of yourself, please.
I'm fine.
Take care of yourself, Biko.
You worry too much.
Don't fail to call me.
Mother hen. Don't worry, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Thank you. You'll be fine. Thank you. Call me when you get to the university.
I sure will.
Miss Roy. Miss Roy. Okay. Sorry about that.
It's okay. Okay, Colonel, your vitals are good. And I have good news.
Okay.
So, since you're doing better now, I will no longer be a burden to you. I'll only come in here maybe once in 2 weeks, depending on the doctor's orders. Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, yeah, so, but please do not fail to call me if you need anything. Any medical attention at all.
Okay. You can trust me that I will.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Right.
That's
You
right.
take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Don't forget to
Thank
call
you.
me.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes. Bye.
Oh, no more over the fence.
Finally. Or abundance.
What do you... Oh, have you even forgotten? A lady should do this. A lady should do... Very good.
But I actually like the way she speaks.
Why wouldn't you like how she speaks when your name is Abundance? Please.
I'm just glad we all can breathe now.
Oh, freedom at last.
Oh,
No more culinary... What is that she even said?
Culinary skills.
Who's there? Who's that?
Sergeant Solomon Babio.
Don't Sergeant Fabio wants now. What is it?
Your father wants you downstairs right away.
Like this time. Goodness sake, someone is sleeping.
I was instructed to bring you downstairs by any means possible. Do not keep me waiting.
So girls, I need you to concentrate on the training because from today onward, we're having exercises like this every morning. Now I know you're a bit uncomfortable in your nightwears, but don't worry. Before the end of the day today, Solomon will go to the stores and get you proper sports wears for training, which you will start wearing from tomorrow morning, okay? This is to help your mind and your body stay in shape. Let's go.
Stand up! Stand up! Focus! You have to pay attention. Attention! Chest out. Very left. Back. Time. Left. 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 Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Move your left. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. You are not supposed to be feeble. You are supposed to be strong. You are supposed to be strong. Okay? Now let's go one more time. Hurry up. Mark. Time. Left. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. No. No. You move your left first. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Stand strong. Keep your hand, your arms to your body. Your arms to your body. Hurry up. One time. Left. Left. Right. 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 Hot. Left. Right. Hot. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Hot. Good.
We did it. So let's repeat it again.
What's going on there?
Daddy, we are learning dance steps from YouTube videos.
And who's the third party?
Good day, sir. My name is Uchechi and I'm their friend.
Their friend. You may leave. Now, amazing.
Yes, Daddy.
What time is it?
Daddy, it's 2:45 p.m.
My 4:30 p.m. alarm went off about 30 minutes ago, meaning it should be around 5 p.m. by now. So you girls woke up from your nap just to dance to a YouTube video? Please explain.
Daddy, you know how you tell us that we should make exercise a habit. So we've decided to use dance as our own exercise.
Yes, I do.
It's amazing how you are so smart at being deceptive and yet you are so slow in your academics. Let me have the gadget. What happened to your day wear? Haven't I told you not to wear this skimpy nonsense? Nothing but your day wear? And are you girls not supposed to be busy right now thinking of what to make for dinner? I will instruct the estate management to stop the cleaners from cleaning this compound. Okay? Now, every morning, that will be your exercise till further notice. Are you still there? No. As for you, Abundance, I will instruct Solomon to make sure he inspects the kitchen every day. And if he ever finds it dirty, I will teach you what the fire does to the ears of a rat. Now move!
Wait. What are you trying to say?
She said that Daddy instructed Mr. Solomon not to open the gate for us without his permission.
I heard that the first time.
But you just said...
Shut up, Abundance. Let me focus. Wait. So are you trying to tell me now that if I want to leave this compound, that Mr. Solomon will open the gate for me?
Oh, you think I've been blabbing since? You think I've been making noise? Now, if you don't believe me, just carry your bag and go out so that you face the embarrassment that I faced.
Anyway, in fact, he's joking. What am I saying, so? Dad can't do that to you girls. Definitely not me.
Because you are who? The President of America. I don't understand. So because you are a first-year university student, you think Dad cannot do that to you? Just try rubbish. So that you will see yourself in the village with Uncle Uchechi farming. You will be cultivating cassava and be bringing it for us here.
Auntie Felicia to work in a bakery for the whole holiday.
Just stand there and be saying, hey, now you girls.
I don't even know what you're feeling like.
Yeah, I'm your elder sister, so...
And so what?
Move back. I said, keep
Let
moving.
me go now. Let me go.
Go to your room and remain in your room. That's the instruction. I already told your sister. The next time you try it, you won't like what I'll do to you.
If you don't allow me to go out now, you see my trouble.
Who is seeing whose trouble?
Daddy, is it not this man that they are calling Sergeant Solomon? He will not allow somebody to go out.
Solomon!
So,
Are you the one stressing my daughter? Eh? What's the meaning of that? See, Anyway. Amazing. Come, my darling. Don't mind him. You know these soldiers, Come. There you go. Come here. Apologize! Apologize! Apologize!
I'm sorry,
For what? Sorry for what?
Sorry for disrespecting you.
Nonsense. Now, Solomon.
Sir.
She would keep apologizing to you morning, afternoon, and night ad infinitum until you decide to accept the apology. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And God help you if you accept that apology too quickly. Now march her upstairs.
Yes, sir. Move it. Handle it. Handle it. Handle it. Handle it. Handle it. Handle it.
What did you do? I'm gonna begin this, Mom.
All right. Now you're going to stretch out your right arm like this. Stretch it out like this, facing downward. Your right arm. Okay? Now you're going to touch your left knee with your right palm and your right knee with your left palm. Do you get that? Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
All right, are we ready? So it's still left and right and left. Let's go. And left and right. Left and right. Now swing your arm to the left once you touch. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left. Abundance. Is amazing exercising?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Right and lift and right and lift and right. Now, can someone tell me why exercises are good?
Because it's used by mean fathers to punish their innocent children.
Art?
Exercise strengthens the heart and improves circulation.
Beautiful. Abundance?
It increases blood flow and raises the oxygen level of the body.
Beautiful. Now, even though your sister amazing thinks that I'm punishing you, but I assure you, one of these days you girls will understand that everything I am doing is for your own good. Okay? Wait a minute. Isn't Afunwa done yet? She should be back by now. Anyway, let's go. Left and right. Raise it, raise it, raise it. That's it. Raise it, come on. Come on, don't get tired. Everybody chorus it. Go, left. Right, let me hear your voice. Left. Right, let me hear your voice. Left.
Right.
Louder.
Left. Right.
Louder.
Left.
Art, I can't hear you.
Right.
Louder.
I'm sorry, Sergeant Solomon.
Sorry for what?
For being disrespectful.
To whom?
To you.
For what? You don't know what to say. I be your mate?
No.
I dey follow you laugh?
No.
You know the fear face? Apology not accepted. Thank you.
Hello. What do you want?
Okay? I'm here to see your father.
Well, he's not around.
I don't understand. The hospital informed him I'll be here today, so he's expecting me.
So my dad cannot go to where he wants to because of you.
Well, hello, Miss Politeness. Can I at least wait for him?
You can't wait for him. He'll be coming back by 8 p.m. So bye.
What?
I told you that. I told you not to ring the bell.
I'm so sorry, but is he in right now?
He's inside. He's upstairs. Come.
Who's that? Who's that?
Daddy, I'm the one.
Who rang the bell?
It's Mr. Solomon. He came to take his lunch. Sorry.
Come on, stop apologizing. I mean, it's not even your fault though.
You know, I don't know, maybe I did something to God and he decided not to bless me with cool parents like other kids. My mom doesn't care, but my dad, he cares too much.
Oh, you'll be fine. Plus, I'm here to cheer you up on the go. And now you see that cute smile I'm dying for.
Stop, please.
Oh wow, these are your pictures.
Yeah, they're nice, right?
Really, really nice. You shall know how to snap all these fine pictures.
Yeah.
With your top model pose. But babe, you know what, babe? You know, I actually feel like you should have just studied a media-related course instead of now struggling with economics.
Media-related kini. It's even a miracle that my dad allowed me to study economics.
Really?
He was pushing for mechanical engineering.
Wow. He's so strict.
I tell you.
Really, really strict. Oh, but these pictures are really cute.
Yeah. This one, right?
Really, really cute.
Solomon! Solomon! Call Solomon. Solomon, where are you? Report at once. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Have you finished eating?
I wasn't eating, sir. I just stepped out.
So you were not eating just now?
No, sir. I stepped out. I went to buy some.
Something fishy is going on here. Okay? I'm suspecting some naughtiness. I need you to enter the house, search the entire house. Is that understood? And make sure that you are very wary of the entrances. Nobody must escape. Find out there's somebody in this house. There's somebody in this house. There's an alien body in this house. Search everywhere.
Yes, sir.
Fish them out. Nonsense. Imagine. Silly children.
Move it. Move it. I found a young man with amazing in a room.
A young man with amazing? With amazing?
Yes, sir. He is standing before you, sir.
With amazing? Amazing?
Yes, Daddy.
Who's this? Who's this?
Romeo.
Romeo? Romeo! Romeo, does my daughter look like Juliet? Answer me!
No, sir. No, sir.
What is her name?
Amazing, sir. Amazing.
And what is your relationship with her?
Sir, we're just friends and schoolmates, nothing more, sir.
Friends and schoolmates?
Yes, sir.
Are you in the same department?
No, sir. No, sir.
So of what value is your friendship or your relationship with her? Answer me, of what value is it?
No value, sir. No value.
Good answer. Now you listen to me, young man, and listen good. The next time I see you anywhere near my premises, I will make sure I have you arrested and locked in jail for at least 60 days. And I will make sure that your parents do not have access to you. Is that understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
As for you, Amazing. Solomon?
Sir!
Soak them.
Daddy,
Yes,
please,
Daddy.
Daddy, please. Daddy, please. Daddy, please.
On your knees.
Daddy, please.
Have you ridden a bicycle before? You know how to ride bicycle, huh? But you don't talk Okada. Because I want us to ride Okada now. It is going to be an easy one. So, first of all, scatter your leg. Scatter. Don't let me scatter your for you. Oh, yeah, bend down. Stand on your toes. On your toes. Like you sit down on Okada. Oh yeah, we are going to move on a slow pace. Then gradually we will increase our speed. But as we move, the more we go, the lower we go. The more we increase our speed, the lower we go, so that we go do it and we go balance. You understand? You hear me, go? Oh yeah, one at a time. Repeat after me. Talk. I know they hear you. I slap you. Let's go back again. Oh yeah, take your position. Sit down well. Sit down well, make you no fall. Sit down on top of your card and make you no fall. All right, let's go. Talk. Talk. Hold him there. Hold him there. Hold him. No drop him. No drop him. No drop him. If your leg touch ground, if your leg touch ground, no drop him. Oh yeah, we go the third time. Talk. Hold him there. Hold him. No drop him. No drop him. Hold him. No shake, my friend. No shake, my friend. No shake. Hold him there. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up there. You are there. You are getting there. You are getting there. Oh yeah, we'll go the fourth time. Fourth one. Wait till I talk. Fourth one. Oh yeah, let's go. Ton. Oh yeah. No drop am. No drop. They turn they go. No stop am. They fire am. They go. They fire am. Turn. If your tongue stop, I go turn your mouth. Oh yeah. Turn they go.
But Mom, we are your children, oh. Hi. Hello, Mommy. I miss my phone. I've never been this stressed before.
I swear, I'll sleep for 48 hours straight up.
Me, I'll sleep for 72 hours.
Please
don't wake me up.
Oh, don't even look at me. I'm sleeping. Open the door, it's time for our morning routine. She's coming. Let's go.
If you don't want to come, just call him on phone. Tell him to take it easy on us. But Mom, we are your children, oh. Hi. Hello, Mommy.
What did she say?
Well, apparently having fun is more important than her kids.
I told you, calling her is a waste of airtime. But you didn't listen.
We need a plan.
Well, Romeo's birthday is next week and I don't even have money to get him a present.
You're talking about getting him a present.
How sure are you that you will attend his birthday party? Where will you tell Dad that you're going to?
Well, I'll just cook up a lie and tell him. But the most important thing right now is to get the ATM card and get some cash.
You guys need a plan? I got you.
Yes, my smart sister. Come here. Yes.
So guys, who's missing our favorite chicken and shawarma?
I'm tired of munching on biscuits.
Yes.
We are too. That's why we've brought up a great plan to get ourselves a nice treat.
Yes. But first of all, Art, you have to steal Daddy's ATM card and bring it to me. Yes. Shh. When you bring it to me, I will tell Dad that I'm going for an excursion, you understand? School excursion or something like that, and then I'll go out. I'll withdraw the money and I'll get all of us a big basket of goodies. I mean, after this long, stressful week, everyone deserves a treat.
Why don't you ask Dad for money?
Eh?
Dad, give you money for jokes. Are you sure you've met my father?
She doesn't know. No, she doesn't know him.
What if something goes wrong?
What could possibly go wrong? Except abundance runs her mouth.
Yes.
I won't run my mouth.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Yes.
we're good. Art, it's over to you. Make sure you get the ATM card before the end of today, okay?
Remember.
How about the pin?
Well, it's my birthday.
Give it to me.
I will try.
No, you will do it. And don't tell Dad anything.
Great. See you guys later.
If he finds out, I'll disown you. I don't know you as a sister.
I remember walking into the hospital in my uniform and I saw you there lying in the cradle looking so cute. And the first thing your mother says to me is, "Isn't she amazing?" I nodded. And that's how we came to name you Amazing.
Oh, what a beautiful story, Dad. Why haven't I heard of it before?
But Dad, what about mine?
Well, when you were, I think it's a week before you were born, I got a double promotion. And also 3 times what I was earning at the time. Your grandparents also got their pensions finally. Both of them at the same time. You brought a whole lot of abundance to everyone with your coming. Is that Afu?
It's me, Dad.
Hey, Dad. What's Art's story? I mean, her name sounds weird.
I even love science. I don't like art. And now my classmates are calling me fine arts.
Well, when you were born, the first thing your mother says to me is, "Johnson ate another girl." And I said to her, all I can see is another beautiful work of art from God.
Technically, babies are made of science and not art.
Well, if you consider the creative process of art, like paintings or sculptures and all that, I mean, that's how babies are. I mean, from a little drop in the mother's womb, they now, start forming into a baby. Get it?
Dad, guess what? Remember that excursion we wanted to go to after my work? It didn't work. You remember it, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So I just got a call and I was told that one of our parents volunteered to take us to the zoo. Yes.
Wow.
So I'm going to see everybody again.
Oh, I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Well, I'm happy for you guys, but isn't that a little impromptu?
Impromptu? No, how? Dad, it's not like we're going to take exams, then I need to read and all that. We're just going to have fun, learn more about animals in the zoo, you understand?
Fine.
Thank you, Dad.
So it's not like I don't want you guys to have fun, so you can go.
Thank you.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Dad.
Dad, did you name her Afuma because she looks like you? Or because
You guys have the same birthday.
Both. Actually, I wasn't even the one that named her. It was your mom that named her, and I had no choice but to agree.
Come on. I'm a spitting image of my father. Haters gonna hate.
Okay.
You guys are the haters, don't you know?
Is that Roy?
Miss Rohi. Good afternoon, Miss Rohi.
How are you?
I beg your pardon?
Sorry about that, Dad, but look, she's always here. I'm mostly uninvited, so she's desperate, obviously.
That's uncalled for, young lady.
Good afternoon, Colonel.
Roya, how are you doing?
Fine, thank you. I was in the neighborhood, so I decided to stop and see you to check on my favorite patient.
Ah. Well, as you can see, I am hale and hearty.
Yeah, sure. Sure you are. Hi, guys.
Excuse me.
Hi.
Okay. Yeah, I get it. They're kids. It's okay.
So, Afu, don't forget to bring my perfume
It's
and
fine.
wrap it up for me.
Yes, I will.
Don't forget to buy my packet of chocolate.
Don't worry, I will buy everything. And look, Art, all you need to do is to delete the alert immediately it comes. Don't let it hear it. Quickly. You hear me? Catch you.
Alpha.
Oh, Dad.
Here. So, get some things for yourself and get some snacks for your sisters on your way home. Hmm?
Oh, thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
Daddy.
Yeah. Come here.
Okay.
So,
Thank you.
let
Thank
you know
you, Dad.
if plans change.
Okay.
And be careful out there in the zoo.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you,
Okay.
Daddy.
Thank you, Dad. I'll be fine. Okay. Bye.
Yeah. Somebody get me some water.
Okay.
Art?
Yes.
Come here. Who's that? Who's there? Who is that?
Dad, it's me.
Oh, Art.
Do you need company?
Sure.
So, Days, I want to tell you a story.
Okay.
There's a girl in my school. Her name is Dora.
Dora.
Yes.
Okay.
My teacher doesn't like her.
Hmm.
You know why my teacher doesn't like her?
Why is that?
She makes too much noise in class.
Really?
And she doesn't listen to my teacher.
Do you also make noise in class?
No.
Hmm. And do you listen to your teacher?
Yes.
How am I sure about that? So what happened to Dora?
See inside. He's upstairs. Did you buy everything?
Of course I did. I did it.
I said that you withdrew 30,000. Is it not too much?
30K is okay. You know, things are expensive nowadays. It's not like it's cheap. And we also need some money to take care of ourselves. You know, we're not.
Exactly.
I found a better driver than that. Are you serious?
Who's that?
Dad, I'm back.
Afu is back.
No, I wasn't expecting you back so soon.
Well, I didn't spend much time in the zoo. I just took some pictures and I was really showing you the pictures.
Don't worry, I'm sure they're very pretty. Go into the kitchen and get yourself something to eat.
Okay, yeah. Thank you, Dad, for everything. So I'll just go and change your clothes.
Okay.
Hope you girls are enjoying it.
I found I opened the door. Because you took the larger size, right?
Yes, well, because I took the biggest risk. Maybe you should eat the one you have. Eat it, be contented. Hey!
Don't mind her.
The remaining money we are going to share it, right?
Oh, yes, we'll share the money. But don't expect it to be shared equally.
I missed Mom.
You miss Mom. Or you miss the junk food she normally buys for us. As if she was ever at home when she was around.
It's because of that man that Mom is always spending time with.
Abundance. I hope you have not mentioned this to Dad before.
Should I?
No! Don't ever think of mentioning this to Dad. Except you want Dad to be locked up in jail for murder.
Talking about your friend's birthday, do you still want to attend?
Yes, I would like to attend the party.
Maybe we can steal Dad's phone and send Sergeant Solomon a message. Would that work?
So how do you explain to Sergeant Solomon that a blind man sent a text message?
Maybe we can tell him that Dad lost his voice to cough, so he asked us to send a message.
I have a better plan.
Okay. Abundance and I will walk up to Daddy and tell him that there are giants in the room.
Calm down. Speak one at a time. What's the problem?
Okay, Daddy, when Aunt and I were in our room, the ceiling was shaking. Daddy, it was vibrating, like giants were walking, like it was like giants were walking on it. Daddy, now.
Wait, what do you mean the ceiling wall? What are you talking about?
It was making us like it's about to fall, like giants are walking everywhere. Daddy will tell us to get Solomon to take a look at it.
Okay, you know what? Just calm down. Calm down. Just go outside, get Sergeant Solomon, and let him come check it out for you.
Yes,
just come. Don't run. Just calm down. Right, this is so giants in the ceiling. Hell.
Sergeant Solomon! Sergeant Solomon!
What's wrong?
Big giants! The roof is vibrating! Giants on our roof!
Wait, I don't understand what you're saying.
It's shaking like that.
Giant, what do you mean giants?
They're big, they're fat. I don't know. They're just shaking. Like,
Okay, wait.
making noise.
In your room or where?
No.
Okay, let's go. Come.
That to give Amazing the opportunity to sneak out of the house. So, what do you girls think?
Wow, it's perfect.
I like it too.
What if Daddy calls for me to do something for him? He will notice that I went out.
I will stand in for you. What about the mole at your neck? And your voice? Can she talk like Amazing? Duh, Dad can't tell our voices.
You know Dad is way too smart.
What if she responds in monosyllables? It will take Dad a full sentence to suspect anything.
Then you have to figure out how to make a move.
You mean she used the card to buy things at the store? Thank you very much for informing me, Regina. I'll get back to you. Amazing! Art! Abundance!
Teachers found out. Found out about what exactly the ATM will be going out. Don't worry.
Afuwa!
Tell you. This is my teacher. Did you tell me about found out?
What did you buy when you came back yesterday?
I actually...
Keep still!
Yes, sir.
Continue.
I bought ice cream. Sorry, shawarma.
Art?
Yes, sir.
Did you eat any ice cream yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Who gave it to you?
Sir, it was the one Miss Ronnie...
I was talking to Art! Now, Art, tell me the truth. What did your sister buy when she came back yesterday?
She bought ice cream, shawarma, chocolate, and cookies.
So you used my card, you stole my card to buy... Oh, wait a minute. Amazing. Are you aware of all this?
Yes. No, I'm not. I'm not aware.
Amazing.
Sir?
What is wrong with your voice?
I have a cold. I have cold. Yes.
Amazing!
Yes, sir.
2 paces forward!
Yes, sir. Ouch!
Afuwa! Where is Amazing? Shut up!
Yes, sir.
Where is your sister?
Is it picking?
No, sir.
Look, does anyone know his house?
No, sir. I don't know his house. Do you? Yes, sir.
His friends? I mean, family, anyone that knows him?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So not only does she bring him into this house, but she has the audacity to leave and go for a party with him. Without even having the basic instinct of dropping an address, at least for security reasons. It's okay.
Sir, should I call the barracks?
No need. We'll just have to wait. We'll just have to wait. I just hope she's safe.
Are you guys ready? Yeah! Let's get assistance. Did she get it? Yeah! So start. Did she get it? Yeah! Everyone, is she correct?
No! Drink the shot!
Drink the shot! Drink the shot! Drink the shot! Drink the shot! Drink the shot!
Protect who dances. Wow.
Oh, nice. You too. You always have wrong timing.
Who's that?
Your nurse.
Is everything okay?
Hi, Roy.
Hi. Good morning, Colonel.
This is not a very good timing, Roy.
Did you guys sleep here?
Amazing is missing.
What?
Well,
Missing.
yeah, as you can see, Roy, you have to come back later. I have to go look for my daughter. Solomon!
Wait.
Sir! Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'll get back to you. Thank you. Sir.
Any update?
Yes, I just got off the phone with the DPO. He said some teenagers were brought to his station this morning, and she's among them.
You have to take me to the station immediately. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Dad, we're coming with you.
Yes.
No, you're not.
Okay, can I come with you, please?
So I know I said you had to leave, but I would really appreciate it if you just help me stay with the girls for a bit till I return. Hmm?
Sure. That's okay. I can do that. That's okay.
Come on.
We have arts. Sit down. It's I want to sit down there. It's okay. Don't you think it's time for you guys to just go freshen up or something? Please? No. Please. Come on. I love you too.
What is it? Oga! Daddy! Oga, wait. Oga, wait. Hold on, sir. Hold on, sir.
Daddy!
Hold on, sir.
Daddy!
Oga?
Daddy!
Musky chocolate.
Cornell, you're up. Do you want chocolate?
Your fragrance.
Okay. Yeah, you guessed right. That's right. It is. How are you feeling?
I should open a perfumery.
Yeah, you should. And you'll make an amazing chief nose.
Amazing. How are the girls? Are they okay?
Yes, sir. The girls need you. We all need you to get well, sir.
Thank you, Solomon. Roy.
Yes, come on.
You're a darling. Please. Stay. Don't go.
It's okay. I'll stay. Okay? I'll be here.
Is Daddy going to be okay?
Yes, your dad is a strong man. He'll be fine, okay?
Thank you so much, Miss Rohi, for taking care of my dad.
It's okay.
I'm really sorry, girls, for setting a bad example for you girls. I shouldn't have sneaked out.
Yes, you shouldn't have.
Stand up. When you see an elder, you get up. Thank you. Yes. Just as you put your life at risk, you want to do the same thing to his life.
Sorry, Auntie Dora.
It's okay. I told your father, but yet he couldn't listen to me.
Hey, babies! Mommy is here!
Mommy!
Hi, baby!
What are you doing here? You shameless excuse of a mother. What are you doing here?
I am here to see my children.
Oh, really?
Yes, really.
Well, we don't want to see you.
Come on, don't be like that.
I called you when I was in cell, but your boyfriend picked up.
He was just a friend.
Now you get out of this house before I call the soldier to lock you up in the guard room.
The last time I checked, this is still my husband's house.
Your ex-husband, to be clear.
What's all the noise about?
Oh, Cornell. Why is he out of bed? You should be resting. What happened to his drip?
Baby, are you sick? What happened to him? Is your daddy sick?
What are you doing in my house? Did you go out? No, sir. I only called Prof, sir. Get out of my house!
Take it easy.
Take him upstairs, okay?
Calm down. He's fine, okay?
He's fine.
You see?
He's fine.
You see? See what you've caused.
Don't even try it! Don't even try it! And what are you still waiting for? Haven't you caused enough damage? Now get out!
Prof, you're the one instigating this trend against
And I
me.
say get out! Take it from you! Get out!
Then go back to your house.
Come on, get out! Leave this place this minute!
Yes. Just go.
Leave! They want you to leave!
Get out.
Don't worry. Your study will be fine. You feel better? You're happy now with what you caused, right? Please leave.
To kill somebody's father.
Look, sir. Easy. Out of my house.
Yes.
So, get her out of my house.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Get her out of my house. Get her out of my house.
It's okay.
So on.
Please just try to relax. Why did you let him out of bed? You were supposed to keep an eye on him. It's okay, please. You just need to rest. Okay? You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Okay, at least this is enough. You just need to relax. You'll be fine.
Get her out.
It's okay. It's alright. It's fine. He just needs to relax.
Girls, what's going on? You've been ignoring me for a while now. What did mommy do?
Mom, what have you not done? I don't even think I should call you that because you don't know how to play a role of a mother.
Hey, young woman, you don't have the right to talk to me that way.
She does, Mom. We all do. You left us when we needed you the most. Most especially Dad. Well, the blind man that you left for a younger man is the one that have taught us everything we know now. We couldn't clean, we couldn't wash, we couldn't do anything. Now look at us. We can do all of those things now. And all thanks to Dad. Okay, just look at when I was in cell. Remember I called you first, but you didn't pick up.
Look, I'm sorry. I didn't know that idiot had my phone.
Mommy, that's not the point. That's not the point.
Hey, don't scream at me that way. Abundance, are you just walking out on me?
And right, let's keep after, and left, and right, and left. Just make it easy like you're walking. Left, right, like you're walking. Go straight, right. Okay, let's get from left. Let's go, and left and right. Left and right. Left and right. Left and right. Now let's use our arms like this. Kimbo, arms like Kimbo. Like this. Now we're going to be swinging from side to side like after doing that. Okay, also starting from the left. And the funny combination of those guys combine the movements like that. Combine the movements like that. So I'm going to take the movement a bit now. Just watch me, okay? 2, this. Alright, have you seen that? Left, right, like that. Okay? Enjoy it, enjoy it, enjoy it. Okay. Now you're going to raise your right arm up. Ready? And up. Like that. March, come on, march time. Lift, right. Come on, everybody. Lift, right. Repeat after me. Say, lift, right. Come on, lift, right. Come on, lift. Now, put that arm all the way to the back. All the way. 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 And boom. So we're going to do that again. Ready? Go. All the way. All the way. All the way. All the way. And boom. All right, drop it. Now your left arm. Let's go. Up. All the way. All the way. All the way. All the way. And I want to hear your boom. I want to hear your boom. Everybody, let's go now. All the way. All the way. All the way. All the way. And boom. You did it. Okay, let's back to the waist. Let's go. And back to the waist. All right. Now we're going to form a circle. Okay. We're going to form a circle, so they're going to go around me. Now I can't join you to form that circle. But I want you to form a circle and just go around me. Let's go. 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2. Let's go. Go around me. Go around me. I can't see you. Left. Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2. Let's go. Now we're starting from facing. We're going to make it a bit quicker. We're going to turn it into a jog. Who is the front? Who is leading? It's me. Oh, Prof. Yeah. All right, let's go. They're going to turn into a jump now. Okay. Let's go. 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 Okay. Let's go. That's it. Let's go faster. 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 Let's go. Prof, let's go faster. Faster. Yeah. It's already stopping. I'm here, sir. I'm here. Let's go. Get behind everybody. Let's go. Someone fast, go. Go, someone, go. Who's behind me? Who's behind me? Who's behind me? Faster, faster. Someone move. Yes, sir. Someone move. Yes, sir. Someone move. Someone move. Someone move. Someone move. Move, someone move. All right, nice. High five. High five. Yes, sir. High five. All right, nice, sir. Nice, sir.
Oh my goodness.
Nice.
Look, I'm sorry. I panicked. I haven't been in a situation like this before. I've never taken care of a blind person before.
Nobody prepares for a situation like this. But I know that I would never have abandoned you or our children, no matter how scared I was.
But you know we're both different.
Yes, that's true. You care about you, and I have to care about everybody else.
That's not fair. Yes, okay, I know I deserve all of this, but please, I'm sorry. Please just give me a second chance. I'm sorry I left our marriage and for being the kind of wife that I have been.
Yeah, and the kind of mother that you have been.
That's why I'm asking for a second chance. Please let me just make this right. If not for anything, for the sake of our children. Please. Babe.
What are you doing?
Babe, I want to make her with my husband.
What? Stop.
I'm sorry, it's just... the food is ready.
No, it's okay, Rohi. Elizabeth, please. I'm done with this conversation. Please.
I'll just go and fix it.
No, Roy, please.
It's not what you think.
No, it's fine. She's your wife, so...
Ex-wife.
It does not matter. Just don't mind me.
No, it's impossible. I think of you every time and I smile. Your selflessness, your aura, your scent is permanent on my olfactory lobes. Even if you're 100 miles away, I sense you. I don't understand this, but I'm in love with you.
Let me get you something to eat.
Rohi?
Why you sent for me?
Yes, I did. Sit, please.
Thank you.
Let me tell you a little story about my family.
You're right.
Okay. My father was a very strict man. One-time military governor of my state.
Wait, what? General Obioma Johnson was your father?
Yes, he was.
Wow.
My brother never agrees with him on most cases, but he admired him. When my father died, my brother joined the army just to honor him. My brother is one person that doesn't hide his feelings for people.
True.
That is one of his greatest strengths and, of course, his weakness. When he lost his sight, he called me straight from the military hospital. The first thing he said, I will start wearing glasses just like you, but my own is cooler. I knew this was serious. He was in pains. The only time he masks his feelings with humor is when they are overwhelming.
Okay, but... Sorry, Ma, but what are you trying to say?
My brother likes you. Yes. I see how he holds your hand longer anytime you give him his pills. He lets you feed him. He never allows anyone to feed him.
But... I can't just marry him.
I am not saying you should. But let that feeling out of the cage. Let it out.
Okay, but... Miss Elizabeth.
Oh, over the fence. That one? She's crying over spilled milk.
I think he likes her.
Yeah. Well, she's actually a nice person. I can't believe you called her Madam Desperate.
I just hope she stays after that gets better. Because he might just fall ill if she leaves.
I can't imagine myself calling her madam desperate. Like,
It's a mistake. We all made a
well,
mistake.
at that point, it was in.
Who's there? Coming.
Hi, girls.
Hi.
How are you doing? We're fine.
Okay. Can I talk to you girls briefly?
Yes, sure. Why
Sure.
not?
Okay. I know it's none of my business, but I would kill to have my mom with me.
Okay. What happened to her?
Can I sit?
Sure. Of course. Sit.
Thank you.
So, she died.
Oh. So sorry about that.
She died when I was 10. I had to move in with my auntie and her husband, and they were never really there for me. Everything I know, I learned on my own. Though there were times when I needed someone to be there for me, when I needed someone to love me, someone to hold me. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's fine.
It's getting me so emotional, but there were times when I really needed someone to be there for me, but there was no one. Okay? I learned everything on my own. I guess that's why some people call me Miss Desperate.
Sorry, something. I guess we must be people.
It's okay, it's okay. I just want you guys to know how important your mom is to you. Don't hurt her further, it's okay. Just let it go. Okay? Alright, see you guys later. Bye.
Mom.
Yeah.
Can we talk to you?
Yes. Come. I'm sorry. I should be the one apologizing. I failed you girls. So I'm saying I'm sorry. Okay?
Mom, we're also sorry for being so rude to you.
Yes, and I'm sorry for calling you a bad mother.
I'm also sorry for being a bad mom. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Yes, I was meaning to tell you. There is this program coming up in my university. It's about a visual payment. I would like you to attend.
Have you ever heard of blindfold drills?
Blindfold what?
Drills.
Over the fence.
Well, these are exercises that we did in the military, where you are blindfolded and made to undergo certain tasks, like running a huddle or, dismantling your rifle and reassembling it while blindfolded. And this helps you to build.
Can we talk?
I'm listening.
I want a divorce. Are you not going to say something?
What do you want me to say? I sent you the papers months ago and you refused to sign them.
Besides, you absconded once. If you want to flee again, be my guest.
It's obvious you're in love with someone else. And I'll be a fool to think things will go back to the way they were before.
What do you want me to say?
I want you to be happy. I mean, you've gone through a lot in this life. You deserve to be happy.
Where is all this coming from?
I would sign the divorce papers only on one condition. Actually, two.
Over the fence.
I'm ready to leave. Please don't forget what we talked about. The girls will visit me every holiday and I'll get my alimony every month and...
I will make the arrangements with my account officer.
Thank you. Baby, are you crying? Don't cry, okay? Don't worry. I'll come always. It will look like I never left. Okay? And you also visit me.
Take care of yourself, Elizabeth.
I will. And please take care of my girls. Please. Prof. Thank you. Miss Rohi? Thank you.
It's okay.
He has a good heart. Take care of him.
I will.
Baby, be good, okay?
Come here. Don't cry.
I'll leave now.
Don't cry, okay? Don't cry.
Over the fence.
Will you be my new mommy?
It's not yet time.
Well, I asked her to marry me, but she said no.
I didn't say no. I just didn't say anything.
Well, I took that as a no, right?
Please say yes. Yeah, she said yes.
She said yes?
Yes.
She said yes! Okay. She said yes! She said yes! She said yes!
Yes.
Oh my. She said yes. Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, Mom.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Wow. Happy birthday. Come. Oh.
Definitely not over the fence.